In this video, we are going to prove the geometric sum formula by induction. Ready? First, we prove it for the simplest case. N can take any positive integer values, so the smallest is 1. We substitute n equals 1 into the formula. 1 plus r to the power of 1 equals 1 minus r to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 minus r. That leads to 1 minus r squared over 1 minus r. Factorizing the numerator, we can cancel 1 minus r down, since r is not 1. This is true. 1 plus r to the 1 equals 1 plus r. Now we prove that the formula works for n plus 1, assuming it works for n. The n plus 1th sum is the result of adding the nth sum plus the n plus 1th term. Assuming it works for n, all we have to do is put in these two terms together. We multiply the second term, top and bottom, by the denominator 1 minus r. So 1 times r to the power of n plus 1 minus r times r to the power of n plus 1. These two terms cancel each other out, and we are left with 1 minus r to the power of n plus 2 over 1 minus r, which is a formula for the sum of the first n plus 1 terms. Sums are very important. Master sequences and series step by step. Visit mathsadviceonyourdevice.com for more details.